Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Fusion Payroll account, and it's also known as Oracle Fusion Payroll, alright? So don't get confused. So what is Oracle Fusion Payroll? Basically, Oracle Payroll simply how you can pay your workforce with a highly configurable solution fully unified with Oracle Fusion Cloud Human Capital Management for efficient compliant payroll processing across the globe, no matter your industry, company size, or worker types. All right, that's what basically Oracle Fusion Payroll is. This is what they have described on their website as well. All right, now to log in into your account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel first. Now let's move on. Once you're over here, you want to search for Fusion Payroll Login. After you search for Fusion Payroll Login, scroll a bit down and click on where it says Fusion Employee Services PEO service in New Jersey. Make sure it takes you to fusionemployeeservice.com. Alright, once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here you can see the login button. Click on it and it's going to show you two options: client login, employee login. You want to choose which sector you want to log in into. So let's say I want to log in into employee. I'm going to click on employee login sector. It's going to take me to the employee login sector now, so wait for some time until the page loads up. Its loading time depends on your internet speed. All right, so mine is a bit slow today. I don't know why, that's why it's taking a bit of time, but if it was fast it would have loaded up instantly. So be a bit patient and wait for some time. Now once you're over here, you need to enter your username. So I'm going to enter my username over here. After you enter your username, you need to enter the password of your account over here. After you enter the password, you click on login, and if the username and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Fusion employee account. All right, and if you want to register for it, you can click on register in order to register for your account. And if you forgot your username, you can click on forgot username to recover your username as well. And if you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password to recover your password as well. All right, so yeah, that's how you guys can log in into your Fusion employee account or Fusion payroll account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Until then, stay safe, peace out, and bye bye.